Hi, this is Nader Yari. This is the first session of guitar tutorial. Today I would like to cover the basic theory of the music for beginners. Let's get started with musical alphabets. A or La, B or T, C or Do, D or Re, E or Mi, F or Fa, G or Sol. This is the staff lines. We have 5 horizontal lines with 4 spaces that counting from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, types of notes. We have different types of notes. First, this is whole note, half note, quarter note, 8th note, and 16th note. These are the shapes of notes. And also we have duration for each one. The whole note equal by 4 beats. Half note, 2 beats. Quarter note, 1 beat. 8th note, half, and 16, 1/4. The next is clef. This is treble clef. When we have treble clef, any notes on the second line is G. The other name of the treble clef is G clef. That's why when we have treble clef or G clef, any note on the second line called G. We can order of the musical note on the staff lines. Okay, this is G note. We know after G is A. Between second and third line is A. On the middle is B. C, D, E, F, G. Before G, we have F and E and D. When we have treble clef, always this note is same, and we have 11 notes. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Or also we can call Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.